Welcome to this captivating scientific exploration that takes us to the heart of subatomic research in Chicago, where extraordinary discoveries loom on the horizon. Today, let's dive together into the enigmatic universe of muons, those mysterious subatomic particles that could play a crucial role in unveiling the deeply buried secrets of our cosmos. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the Chicago laboratory, where a team of bold researchers approaches the possibility of a fifth fundamental force of nature, a breakthrough that could revolutionize our understanding of the reality that surrounds us. At the core of this exploration are muons, subatomic particles that resemble the more massive cousins of electrons. To simplify, envision electrons as light dancers twirling around the atomic nucleus. Muons, on the other hand, are like those dancers, but with a more imposing presence. Electrons move in an enigmatic quantum wave, a mathematical equation that describes their probable behavior around the nucleus. Muons, with a mass approximately 207 times that of electrons, interact differently in electromagnetic fields. These fascinating particles belong to the subatomic world, the tiny scale of matter that makes up everything around us. The interactions orchestrated in this subatomic dance are governed by the Standard Model of Physics, a theoretical foundation of our current knowledge. The story takes a captivating turn when we closely examine a peculiar feature of muons, their magnetic moment. Imagine each muon as carrying a tiny internal magnet. Placed in a magnetic field, these magnets start to oscillate, like spinning tops. This is what we call the magnetic moment of the muon. According to the Standard Model, the magnetic moment of muons is precisely predicted, but experimental measurements have revealed a discrepancy between theoretical prediction and observed results. It's as if muons are performing an unexpected dance within this grand physical symphony, suggesting perhaps the influence of yet unknown particles or forces. The team of researchers in Chicago has undertaken a monumental task to unravel this mystery. Using the Muon Collider, a particle accelerator, they project muons at nearly light-speed velocities. This advancement allows for incredibly precise measurements of the magnetic moment of the muon. However, muons only persist for a brief moment; they vanish in an instant, in just 2/millionths of a second. Their short lifespan, about 2.2 microseconds, presents a challenge akin to capturing a sharp image of an ultra-fast moving object. Nonetheless, by harnessing Einstein's principles of special relativity, researchers are able to study muons in depth despite this brevity. By analyzing the angles and velocities of electrons produced by muon decay, they manage to determine their magnetic moment with astonishing precision. The universe is governed by four fundamental forces. The gravitational force, which attracts massive objects toward each other, influencing planetary motions and tides. The electromagnetic force, responsible for interactions between charged particles, governing electrical and magnetic phenomena. The strong interaction, which holds atomic nuclei together despite the electric repulsions between protons, ensuring nuclear cohesion. The weak interaction, involved in certain forms of radioactive decay and particle transformations. Divergences between experimental measurements and theoretical predictions could signal the existence of new particles, such as supersymmetric particles, or the influence of a fifth fundamental force hitherto unknown. If this is the case, the Standard Model might need revision, paving the way for new unified theories of physics. Such a discovery would also have cosmological implications, especially for our understanding of dark matter and dark energy, major components of the universe still shrouded in mystery. Perhaps the Standard Model requires an update to reflect the uncharted steps of this subatomic dance, inviting us to explore an unknown territory of reality. This discovery could potentially pave the way for new technologies and applications while deepening our understanding of the universe that surrounds us. Leaving Chicago, we bear witness to a bold quest to uncover the profound mysteries of matter and the universe. Muons, these subatomic dancers, beckon us to delve into the infinitely small world to uncover unprecedented truths that could redefine our vision of the cosmos. The scientists of Chicago, through their meticulous research and ingenious experiments, remind us that even on the tiniest scale, immense mysteries await elucidation by the human mind. As differences between theoretical predictions and experimental measurements persist, we stand at the dawn of a new era of discovery, poised to reveal unexplored horizons of subatomic reality and expand our perspective of the universe.